Good morning, all of you. Before going into lessons, let me introduce myself. I am Charagundla Ramu, lecturer in English, Government Degree College for Men Autonomous Kadapa. So, in degree, first year, first semester, second unit name is speaking skills. In this speaking skills, the name of the first lesson is sounds of English. So, this lesson start with speech organs. Then the question is how many speech organs are there? What are they? What are active and passive articulators? Articulation means ucharana. So there are 12 speech organs. They are lips, teeth, teeth ridge. It is also called alveolar ridge. Then hard palate, soft palate, tip of the tongue, blade of the tongue, back of the tongue, vocal cords, glottis, epiglottis, and nasal cavity. So these speech organs start with lips, then teeth, then teeth ridge. So when you touch above this teeth, you find some swelling place that is known as teeth ridge or alveolar ridge. Then hard palate. When you move your tip of the tongue above this teeth ridge, there is some hard place that is known as hard palate. Then above this hard palate, there is one soft palate. So it is also called as వేలం ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, వేలం ఆర్ సాఫ్ట్ ప్యాలెట్. తెలుగులో వచ్చేసి అంగిడి అని అంటారు. దెన్ టిప్ ఆఫ్ ది టంగ్, బ్లేడ్ ఆఫ్ ది టంగ్, బ్యాక్ ఆఫ్ ది టంగ్. బ్లేడ్ ఆఫ్ ది టంగ్ మీన్స్ మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ ది టంగ్, బ్యాక్ ఆఫ్ ది టంగ్. దెన్ వోకల్ కార్డ్స్. వెన్ యూ టచ్ యువర్ ఫింగర్స్ ఆన్ యువర్ throat, you find when you are speaking, you find some tissue like muscles movement vibrate, that is they are vocal cords. Then glottis means స్వరం ఆ స్వరంలో ఉండేట దాన్ని గ్లాటిస్ అని అంటారు. ఎపిగ్లాటిస్ మీన్స్ చిన్న నాలుక, కొండ నాలుకను ఎపిగ్లాటిస్ అంటారు. దెన్ నాసల్ క్యావిటీ, ముక్కు. దెన్ active speech organs, when they are move while we speak, they are known as active speech organs. They are lips, then tip of the tongue, blade of the tongue, back of the tongue, then vocal cords, epiglottis. These are active articulators. Passive articulators means they do not move while we speak. They are teeth, alveolar ridge, hard palate, glottis, nasal cavity. See, these are the picture. So these are tip, these are teeth, alveolar ridge, hard palate, soft palate, tip of the tongue, blade of the tongue, back of the tongue, then glottis, epiglottis, then velum means soft palate. Then the second question start with what is IPA, what is phoneme. Then write about phonetics in English language. First of all, you should know what is IPA, what is the need of establishment of IPA. You know, English people, they ruled all around the world. So wherever they go, they developed English. This English mingled with that local languages in those countries, and the slang and pronunciation changes from one country to another country. So in America they call apartment. So in Britain they call flat. Then in some country slippers, we call slippers. Some country chapels. Then uh, some countries they called chocolate. In some countries they called candy. In some countries they called biscuits. In some countries they called cookies. Like that, this English is differ from one country to another country. So the native people, that means where this English was born, that is England, they think and they thought that English should be pronounced equally in all over the all countries. So there should not be difference in speaking English from one country to another country. So for that purpose, they established IPA, International Phonetics Association. IPA abbreviation means International Phonetics Association. This association develop the how to speak words, English words. So uniformly, all countries they have to speak like that. So then phonemes also called speech sounds. Then in English there are 26 alphabets and 44 speech sounds. These phonemes are also called speech sounds. So in English there are 26 alphabets. From A, B, C to X, Y, Z there are 26 alphabets, and these 26 alphabets produce 44 speech sounds. These are called phonemes, and these 44 phonemes divided into two types. One is vowel sounds and second one is consonant sounds. Vowels are 20 and consonants are 24. Then it is very very important question. It is classification of phonetics. Then these 20 vowel sounds divided into two types. One is single vowel sounds or monophthongs. Then the second one is double vowel sounds. They are called diphthongs. So there are 12 single vowel sounds and 8 diphthongs. So in English, in your examinations, they ask write about monophthongs or single vowel sounds, or they also ask you write about diphthongs. Okay, like that. Then consonants, there are 24 consonants. These are divided into two types: voiced consonants, voiceless consonants. Then there are voiced consonants are 15, voiceless consonants are 9. So if they ask you write about phonetics, you have to write this table. Okay, the flow chart. So this is called flow chart. So there are 44 phonemes. Phonemes means speech sounds. So these were produced by 26 alphabets. These 44 phonemes are divided into two types: consonant sounds and vowel sounds. Consonant sounds are 24, and these are divided into two types: voiced consonants, voiceless consonants. Voiced consonants are 15, voiceless consonants are 9. Then vowel sounds, these are divided into two types: single vowel sounds. These are also called monophthongs. Then diphthongs, double vowel sounds, they are 8 are there. Then short vowels and long vowels, single vowels also divided into two types: short or long vowels. So these are the symbol. In examination, they ask write about write single vowel sounds. So I am giving you notes. You have to by heart these thing, and you have to write exactly like this. Okay. So Francis Bacon, a scholar in English, he told that chew some books, swallow some books, and digest some books. That means suppose when you read a book, if you found happy by reading that book, that is called chewing book. That means when we eat sweet, we chew and enjoy the sweet. Like that, when we read some books, we read and enjoy that book. Then we have to swallow some books. You see, suppose if any material is bitter, what do? We simply swallow it. Suppose for example, if we are taking any tablet that is bitter in taste, so we simply swallow it. Like that, whatever you did not understand while reading, what you have to do is you have to simply by heart it. Then digest some books. So how can we can digest some books means, so we have to follow the good things in that books in our daily life. That is known as digesting some books. Suppose this is the symbols. These are the symbols of single vowel sounds. Here తెలుగులో ఆ నుండి అమ్మహ వరకు ఉండేటివి vowels. Then all these are symbols. So you may get confused if you write like this. So for that purpose, I make it very easy to write in your examinations. If you follow it, you can able to write it easy way. So I will show it. I have specially prepared it for you. Yeah, these are. Yeah, monophthongs and diphthongs. So in examinations they ask about write about monophthongs and write about diphthongs. See here sound. So for example go. See, agree. So this is a phonetics transcription of agree. Then this is got. Okay, so like that there are some words part, heart, stop, then erd, then word. So like that you have to write these words. And girl, then nurse, then earth. So you have to practice phonetics transcription for these words, then only you can get to practice about this phonetics. Then that means దీర్ఘము దీర్ఘము ఇచ్చి మనం మాట్లాడాలి. దెన్ ఆమ్. See, this is word, this is arm. See, here r is silent, so for that this phonetics transcription is like that. And you have to see the phonetics transcription of these words, and then only you can get practice. Then up, cup, so we can call this like the cup. Then put, money, low, like that you have to pronounce. Then saw, then walk, door, for, like that we have to pronounce it. Then e, sit, then kit, bit, fish. So this is phonetics transcription. In examinations sometimes they give words and they ask write about phonetics transcription of these words, or they may give phonetics transcription and they may ask you write the word in English, like that e, then see, then seat, green, tree, like that. Then oo, then look, oo, the symbol is like this. Then good, pull, like that we have to write this phonetics transcription. Then oo, then pool, food, shoe, like that we have to pronounce it. Then a, 10, head, bet, said, like that. So then a, then this is a cat, hat, bat, mat. So if they ask you write about a simple single vowel sounds, you have to write all these things. You see, you have to by heart it. Okay. Sometimes they may ask you, they give words and they ask you write phonetics transcription. Sometimes they give these phonetics transcription and they ask you translate it in English. Then see, I have simplified it. I have simplified it. I have write for each word we have three phonetics single vowel sounds. For we have three. Then e1, e1, u1, u1, a1, a. So like that I have arranged it in a logical order, so it is very easy to read and understand like this. So for that purpose I have write it. Then for about, absent, put, heart, stop, girl, nurse, earth, heart. So you have to practice these phonetics transcription to these words. You have to take your dictionary, or you have to take your Android phone and you have to search phonetics transcription for these words. Then diphthongs. So we have 8 diphthongs. First one is I, A, Oi, Ia, Yeah, A, Ow, Ow, Ua, like that. These are. So what you have to do is have to simply biate it. Then I, buy. See what you have to buy. We pronounce it buy, but so what? How the what is the correct pronunciation is buy. Then high, night, right, like that we have to pronounce it. Then yay. So generally we call day, but we have to pronounce it as day. Then eight, afraid, like that we have to pronounce. See the difference, how we have to pronounce it by using phonetics, and how we are in general we are talking English. Then oi, then boy, buy, not buy, boy, toy, voice, enjoy, slow, like that. Then ear, ear, ear. This is the symbol for ear. Then here, here are silent. Then here, then ear, like that. Then yay, yay, like that. Then there, parents, parents, like that you have to pronounce. Then ow. So this is ow. This is close, no, low, like that. Then ow. Then ow. See the symbol is changing. Town, town. Then now, how, out, like that we have to pronounce. Then sure, ua, like that. Then here is sure. దీన్ని ష్యూర్ అనకూడదు, మనం ష్యూర్ అని అంటాము, కానీ దాన్ని ఏమనాలంటే ష్యూర్. దెన్ ప్యూర్, like that we have to pronounce. So these two questions are very very important for examinations. If they ask you write about single vowel sounds, you have to write all these 8, you have to write all these 12. Then if they ask you write about diphthongs, you have to write all these 8 and examples. So you have to learn it by heart. Then so write about consonant sounds. See, we have consonants, voiced consonants 15, voiceless consonants 9. Okay. See here voiced consonants. See, b, bat, d, dot, g, gap, v, wine, d, this, z, z, zoo. Next j, gym, m, mail, n, nail, ng, sing, l, let, r, rat, v, wet, y, yard, p, pat, t, tall, k, cap, f. These are voiceless. This means no vibration while we pronounce it. Then k, then f, then t, s, then shu, then h, then ch, like that. So phonetics transcription, there is different symbols for these words. So I will show these phonetics transcription symbols. So these are for p, we have to write put, then f, then t, t is there. Then for th, theta is there. For any, if you see anywhere th, theta is there. Then for ch, this is the symbol. Then for s symbol is there. For shoe, see ఒత్తు షా రాస్తాం కదా, ఆ ఒత్తు షాకి వచ్చేసి ఈ సింబల్ మనం ఉపయోగించాలి. దెన్ క్ సింబల్కు మనం ఒక్కొక్కసారి సి దగ్గర కే సింబల్ అనేది రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది. దెన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ బ్, దెన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ వ్, దెన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ డి, దెన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ టీహెచ్. దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్, దట్, బాత్ అని రాస్తాం కదా, అక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఈ సింబల్ మనం రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. దెన్ జే సింబల్కి వచ్చేసి డీజెడ్ రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది. జే సింబల్కు డీజెడ్ రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది. దెన్ నాయిజ్, ప్రెసిడెంట్, దెన్ జీరో, జెడ్, జ్ అనేటటువంటి సౌండ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు జెడ్ సింబల్ రాయాలి. దెన్ క్యాజువల్, దెన్ మెజర్, ప్లెజర్. సో ఇట్లాంటి వాటికి ఈ జెడ్ సింబల్ను కొద్దిగా కిందికి రాయాలి. దెన్ గకు ఈ సింబల్ రాయాలి. దెన్ హెచ్కి వచ్చేసి ఈ సింబల్ రాయాలి. మ్, తర్వాత న్, తర్వాత ఇంగ్, సింగ్, ఇంగ్, ప్లేయింగ్, సింగింగ్, డాన్సింగ్, ఇంగ్, ఐఎన్జి చివరిలో ఐఎన్జి ఉంటే ఇంగ్ సౌండ్కు ఇది రాయాలి. దెన్ ఆర్ సౌండ్కి ఇది, ఎల్ సౌండ్కి ఇది, దెన్ డబ్ల్యూ సౌండ్కి ఇది. తర్వాత వై సౌండ్కి వచ్చేసి వై దగ్గర జే అనేది రాస్తాము. సో ఇది చాలా 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో ఏ రకంగా మనకు అడగచ్చు అనేది నేను మీకు ఒక చూపిస్తాను. సి దిస్ ఈజ్ see here one is there. This is see, this is college, then education, then this is temple. See here, identify the words given and write there in spellings. Temple, then this is English, like that we have to they may ask you in examination. This is college. So in our my students they write it as knowledge. Okay, so but this is college, then education, temple, English, then this is teacher, are silent here, teacher. Okay, like that in examinations they ask you questions. Then you will, there is another exercise for you for better understanding. See here, see here, what is this, what is it? Examination. Then this is course. See, course, r silent here, there is no r's. Then this is bike, then this is bike, then this is office, then this is then this is teacher. Okay, teacher, like that in examination they give like that and they ask you to write it in general English. So this is about symbols of English. You see, you what you have to remember is you have to remember the symbols. Where are these symbols? These symbols are here. Okay, these symbols are here. So if you practice several examinations, okay, it is very easy to you to write in examinations. See here, these are the symbols and you have to by heart them. You have to like this swallow some books like that. You have to by heart and you have to write phonetics transcription, practice phonetics transcription for these words. Here keywords are there, na? For these words you have to practice them. Then another lesson name is syllables. So we can know about these syllables in next class. Thank you.